Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're making another southern recipe from back home in Louisiana. We are going to be making sausage with smothered okra. So before we jump into our recipe, I want to thank all of my subscribers for all the support that you give my channel. For our new viewers, welcome. So with that out of the way, let's grab our ingredients and let's make some smothered okra with sausage. For our smothered okra and sausage, we're going to need the following. Okra, you can use fresh or frozen, vinegar, sausage, onion, bell pepper, garlic, rotel, which is basically tomatoes and diced chilies, tomato sauce, chicken broth, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and oil. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So we have us a Dutch oven heating up over a medium-high heat, and we've got some oil, so our oil is hot. So to this we are going to add our sausage, and we're going to get a good sear on all sides. So now that our sausage has been seared, we've added just a little bit more oil to our pot. So now we are going to add in our okra. And we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. So the okra has been going for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's starting to get a little slimy. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in a little bit of vinegar to cut the slime, and then we're going to cook this for another 5 minutes. So this has been cooking for an additional 5 minutes, and as you can see, a lot of the slime has been cut down from the vinegar. So now we're going to add in our onion, bell pepper, and garlic. And we're going to let this cook for another 5 minutes. So this has been cooking an additional 5 minutes. So now we're going to add back our sausage. Going to add in our chicken broth or stock, whichever one you have. Our tomato sauce. Our rotel. Our Cajun seasoning. Garlic powder. And onion powder. I'm going to give this a good stir. Make sure everything gets fully incorporated and mixed. And now we're going to cover this and let this cook for an additional 20 minutes. So this has been going for 20 minutes. Looks good. We're going to give this a quick stir. All right, well, let's give this a quick taste test, see if we need anything extra added. Perfect. So let's get us a bowl and we're going to get plated up. So now that our smothered okra and sausage is done, let's give this a quick taste test. Ooh, and it's still real hot. Get a little bit of okra and tomatoes. A little bit of sausage too. Oh yeah, definitely bring back memories of home. So I really do hope y'all give this recipe a try. You're gonna enjoy it. So I want to thank everyone for watching, and remember, hit that like, share, and subscribe button, along with that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. So I hope everybody has a great day, and as always, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. And I'm going to finish off this little bowl.